Hi folks, Luca at Sharper Trades. I would like to start with one called Donald J. Trump. This is the last time you're gonna hear me talking about this ticker. If you love junk, this is it. Okay, so this is a company that is worthless and is going through the roof. There's no reason other than people buy it, right? And there is this company has no value. I read the valuation and a bunch of other statements. Basically, it's burning cash left, right, and center. So it's worthless. However, as long as people buy it, and if you like it, this is bullish at the moment. However, the close is negative and is below this high, 58.72, right? So that level, it needs to hold. Any break below that, do expect a retest of 55, yesterday closing price, which is 50, and then possibly test the ETMA and the 50 SMA. So those are supports that price must hold if it does pull back. And if it turns around and people keep buying it, then your targets are 83, 98, 119.78, and 143. Well, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and good trading. See you tomorrow.